A Bluetooth label maker has lots of advantages over traditional label makers. If you want to eliminate the use of cables and want to print labels anywhere in the room, the best Bluetooth label maker can help you create attractive labels. There are many products available to choose Bluetooth label makers, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best Bluetooth label makers from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Brother PTP 300 BTP Touch Cube Smartphone Label Maker. The Brother P Touch Bluetooth-enabled smartphone label maker allows you to create and print labels directly from smartphones. The label maker provides a maximum print resolution of 313 dpi to ensure that labels are easy to read. The maximum tape width and tape length that can be accommodated in the label maker is 12 mm and 26.2 feet. It uses full-color printing technology to create colorful labels. It provides fonts, symbols, frames, and styles for custom labels. The maximum speed offered by the label maker is 0.8 inches per second to create labels quickly. It has a built-in rechargeable battery that provides up to 2 hours of continuous printing. Overall, Brother P Touch is a versatile and convenient wireless label maker. Its rechargeable battery and Bluetooth feature make it more suitable for personal and professional use. Number 2. JADENS Label Maker Machine. JADENS is a brand that produces different types of thermal printers. The JADENS D110 is a portable, small, and Bluetooth-enabled label printer. To make the label clear and sharp, it has a print resolution of 203 dpi. It is compatible with iOS and Android. It comes with multiple templates that you can choose for creating labels. The tape width that can be used in label makers is 6 mm, 9 mm, and 12 mm. It has a rechargeable battery that allows you to use it for an extended period. It has an automatic cutter that cuts the label to the desired length. With an easy-to-use and multiple templates feature, the JADENS D100 becomes an excellent choice for creating labels for organizing things at your home or at the office. Number 3. CLABEL Thermal Label Printer. The CLABEL Label Maker is a compact and versatile device that can help you in making attractive labels manufactured by CLABEL Company, which produce worthy label maker. It has a print resolution of 203 dpi, which means the label will be understandable. The label maker can print on label tape that is up to 12 mm to 15 mm wide. This label maker can be connected to your smartphone or tablet via Bluetooth, allowing you to print labels from your mobile device. The label maker is powered by a rechargeable battery, which can be charged via USB cable for 2 weeks working time. The label maker comes with multiple label templates that you can choose. The label maker is compatible with various operating systems, including iOS, Android, and Windows. The CLABEL Label Maker wireless connectivity, multiple templates, and USB rechargeable design make it a must-have tool for any organization enthusiast. Number 4. Brady M211 Portable Bluetooth Monochrome Label Printer. In the world of label printing, Brady is one of the leading manufacturing companies. Its Brady M211 label printer is a portable Bluetooth label maker device designed for printing labels directly from your device. It offers a print resolution of 203 dpi for a satisfying look. It has a printing speed of 0.60 inches per second, which makes it a good choice for printing labels. Likewise, it has advanced battery technology for printing 300 labels on a full charge. It offers a variety of fonts, symbols, and colors, so you can make a label of your own choice. It can support label width from 6.4 mm to 19.1 mm. The Brady M211 Bluetooth label printer is a helpful and useful device that makes it simple to create excellent labels on the go, using a smartphone. Number 5. Memoqueen Label Maker's Machine. Memoqueen is committed to providing high-quality and reliable labeling solutions at an affordable price. The device Memoqueen M200 is a compact label printer that can be used for a variety of applications. It can connect to your phone or PC via Bluetooth, which makes it a wireless device. It can support printing paper widths ranging from 20 mm to 80 mm. Furthermore, it has a rechargeable battery that can stand for 4 weeks and can work for 6 hours continuously. It is compatible with iOS, Android, smartphones, and iPad, and can also connect to MacOS and Windows by USB cable. It offers different text formatting options, icons, and border options. It has a print resolution of 203 dpi and a printing speed of 3.5 inches per second. The Memoqueen M200 Bluetooth connectivity and high printing features make it a convenient and reliable solution for labeling. It is user-friendly and a suitable solution for home and small business use. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.